It's chilly out there.
It's not the worst we've seen. We dropped to a low temperature around 18 degrees this morning, the record being 4, but still we should be right around 30. So it was a pretty cold start to the day, and we're going to see things warm up a little bit as we head into our Friday. It's 32 degrees outside right now. That is right at the freezing mark in Indianapolis with a wind chill of just 24. Winds are out of the south at 10 miles an hour. We're going to get ready to pull in some warm air out of the south. But now that the sun has set there on Victory Field, skies will remain clear for the next couple of hours as our temperatures hang right around low 30s, upper 20s this evening. Right now it feels like we are below freezing all across the state, 24 degrees on the wind chill in Indianapolis, but the breeze is out of the south now, so we're shifting the wind direction. Instead of pulling that cold air from the northwest, we're going to start to change the pace a little bit around here, and that'll help us out significantly on our high temperatures heading into Friday. A wind advisory is in effect, but again, this is kind of a good thing if we want that warm air to rush in, since we're going to pull it out of the south. We're talking about wind gusts in excess of 40 miles an hour into Friday afternoon. That wind advisory for west central Indiana goes into effect tomorrow at 3 o'clock, and it'll last all the way into the early morning Saturday hours. So gusty winds could get up to 50 miles an hour, very windy at times, ushering in that south breeze. Satellite and radar has us dry here at home and even regionally as well. Very dry air overhead with dew point temperatures in the teens. We are prepared for a dry start to the weekend, but we do have some rain chances on the way. So there's that push out of the south right now. We're going to continue to pull in from the warmer sections of air south of Indiana, and that will get us to highs right around 50 degrees into the afternoon. Looking ahead to our Friday, 11 p.m., light scattered showers starting to pick up. This sneaks in overnight. Not going to bring us too much rainfall, but of course we wrapped up the month of November 2 inches in the deficit on our rainfall total, so we could really use some wherever we can get it. As we head into Saturday afternoon, skies clear up very quickly, so we'll see some sunshine, but temperatures will be dropping all throughout the day. What happens for our Friday, our day planner tomorrow, we warm up and continue to warm, but once the sun sets around 6 o'clock and even a little bit before that, temperatures continue to increase. That's because we still have gusty winds ushering in that warm air out of the south. Once we hit those 50s into tomorrow evening, we'll stay that way through midnight. That's why our high temperature for Saturday is currently sitting at 50 degrees. That really happens just after midnight, and then all day Saturday. If you're going to be out for a Big Ten tournament, just know it's going to get cold through the afternoon, even though we will see sunshine. Heading into next week, our Monday and Tuesday is going to be a better chance to see more measurable rainfall. If we can get a warm front to drop in low enough, we could make it into the 50s, but right now it looks like a mid to upper 40s kind of start to the week for next week, and then we continue to dry out heading into Wednesday and